Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoTo meeting. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you blur your background in GoTo Meeting? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to blur your background in GoTo Meeting anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, running meetings through GoTo Meeting, sometimes you're in a place that's not really professional, so you need to blur the background. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled in the GoTo Meeting webinar. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. So let me go ahead and open up a meeting. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and opened up as you can see right here. Now, when you are in the GoTo Meeting webinar, down here at the bottom center, you're going to click on camera, the little arrow next to it. Once you do that, you'll see this pop up, and then you want to go ahead and look for this line, blur my background. Go ahead and uncheck that. Okay, once you check it, it should be green. So let me show you what it looks like. Okay, you can see the background on the GoTo Meeting is now blurred. So let me turn it off and show you what it looks like without it. So now you can see the difference. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to blur your background in GoTo Meeting, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.